Elementary study of sales organization. Sales organization is a structured framework specifying the formal authority and responsibility among persons working in the organization. It consists of group of individuals working to achieve selling objectives to increase sales, maximizing profits, expanding market share, etc. And also it establishes coordination among the various selling activities necessary for the achievements of the selling objectives. Sales organization is not a separate unit. So the sales organization represents the selling unit in the legal sense, so they can share with anyone. Sales organizations are structural entities which execute a combined sales plan and are designed to carry out mutually agreed business goals with a clear structure, roles, and responsibility for each person, group, and department. According to HR Tuzdal, a sales organization consists of human beings working together for the marketing of products manufactured by the firm or marketing of commodities which have been purchased for resale. So, according to Still and Cundiff, a sales organization is a group of individuals striving jointly to reach certain goals and bearing formal as well as informal relations to each other. The qualities and responsibilities of the sales manager. The basic aim of sales manager is to promote sales and contribute to the profits of the concern on one hand and hand satisfaction to consumer on the other hand. So in a big concern, sales manager is generally assisted by a different personnel in the sales line. In a smaller concern, he is all alone with the skeleton service of subordinate. Notwithstanding these differences, a sales manager is to perform following functions. So the following functions can be the planning for the future sales and selection and placements of the sales managers and the direction and coordinations of the sales force, organizing the sales organization, advertising the top management, training the sales force, etc. These are the functions where the sales manager will work.